what's up? So today I'm with Putu, and Putu have a kind of a foundation organization. Yes, Putu, what are you doing?
Yes, today we will bring 100 meal for street kid project in Kuta. We helping they have a school, preschool, and also today 100 meal for donate
Wow, that's
for share
so
for the
cool.
street kid, also slum area. A lot of people hungry there, no food, and because of job.
Yeah, so basically you're sharing the food, preparing like a foundation for the people who need it, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so today we're gonna show you that how it looks inside. Putu, tell me, how do you getting the support and money for the all of this, right? Like 100 meals today. How much it costs? Do you know?
Around 1,500,000.
Okay, so 1.5 million. And how do you getting the support? From donations from the other people?
Donation from friend from another country. From today is from Denmark. My
All
friend
right.
from Denmark, and then from Australia, Kim Franklin mostly, and Renata. And
Oh, by the way, Renata, this is thanks to one of our viewers who
Yes.
know the Putu personally and recommend us, connect us to make a vlog today. So thank you to you and thank you to Putu. Now we are heading to Kuta and we will see how is the life.
we go to Entete to help. That's what I like it.
Hello, brother. Alright, we just arrived to the one school where we're gonna give them food, and also we bring some water and chairs. This is like a day of the foundation, and the school is actually on the kind of slum of Kuta, you know. And the school looks like this. I will show you now because it's hard to describe. Okay, so that's the inside the school. There are teachers and the kids playing. It's actually very small building on the bamboo construction. That's how it looks. Have to wait for the food. Will arrive very soon. And Putu, I think we're gonna show a little bit the slum house. Their house is living, yeah? Where is the residential area where they are coming from, okay?
Yeah, they come from Karangasem and they stay with in rent round here in
Yes.
the slum area. I can show you where they stay.
Okay, let's go. So, school is just at the corner over there, and there is the houses where many of them they are living. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. It's okay. Here we go. So the kids living mostly here, right? I mean, in this area, in the houses. All right. Can we go inside? I mean. All right. So this is the toilet. So we are waiting for food, and the people who are living here, they will get this soon. But meanwhile, we wanna show you how it looks like here. Hello. Here we go. Hello. So that's how it looks. And this is just outside tourist area in Kuta, actually, not so far.
Behind this one is water boom.
Oh, okay. So
Behind water boom.
did you hear the photos? Actually, over there somewhere is the water boom, and the house is like this, just next door. Yes.
Yes, good.
Hello. So that's how it looks. The toilet area here. This is the inside the house.
Aduh, mau bilangin ada nasi. Ada nasi. 30 ya.
Nasi rano ba? Nasi rano ini kan Hello.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Ba nasi ra yayasan, nasi bunga sama nasi ha.
Dengan basan.
So we'll give the food them when the food arrive. Here is the kitchen. Hello.
Bunga ba nasi ha.
So Putu, where these people coming from mostly?
Karena Karangasem.
Okay, so they're from Karangasem and they're just living here, right? Everybody knows her. Shower. So yeah, that's how it looks, the slum in Kuta, if you are ever interested. And if you ever could imagine, and it's like that, just few hundred meters from the main street where are fancy 5-star hotels.
They request, can you bring us for clothing, like for my daughter?
How many people living here?
Huh?
How many people in total living here?
Oh, I don't know, it's so many.
So many?
In one place. And
Yo, what's up? How long you are doing this here in this school?
This school just 2 years ago.
Okay.
We building the bamboo house here.
Also, this bamboo house is built by you, by your foundation, or
Yes, we-
okay, but so
Money, of course, from donation from.
so before this construction, where they was in school? Where was their school?
Before we starting 2007 in the beach like Kuta Beach and the Samatarai area, and
Okay.
that's how we permission to using the beach for teaching them. And
Also, just simply on the beach.
yes, just in the beach.
That's it.
Yes.
Also, Putu showed me and told me as the most of the kids who they are selling tissue or something on the street, or like last time on the beach in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, the kids probably are living here, or maybe not exactly in this school and then what we show you, but in that area of Kuta, in the housing like this, in the slums, because that's true, that's what she said, and you cannot say as that they are houses or something, right? So this is the area of the slums. There are everywhere hotels. This parking and cars, they are owner of the shops like on the different islands of Indonesia, so they don't own the cars here, don't take me wrong. And over there, if you see where is my finger, I will zoom for you, it's just the water boom. So basically, if you're gonna go to the top, to the slide, and look into the other direction, not into the ocean, but to the backward, you can see this area. So this is the Putu, you know, this is the Mr. Mother, yes? So the Putu is buying food from the mother.
There she is, Mr. Damian, my wife behind you.
Oh, hello, how are you? And the food arrived. Okay, so it's the time to giving the food.
Wow.
Okay, it's going to be a lunchtime soon. As you see, the kids already are very happy. And as they said, the meals are prepared for the all children who are here. Check this out, they are already like in the queue. But also the people who are living there, they also gonna get some. But they have 100 meals, but I'm not sure if it's enough for everyone. And yeah, but that's how it looks. Also, I spoke with them. They said before they got the meals from the foundation every single day before the you know what. But now into the current situation, the times come and once, twice a week only the fans of the donations. You know, so sad. Look at these small kids. I'll show you a little bit how it looks around. Check this out. Yes.
Yeah, yang bagiin. We can check your videos and you do it.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I wanna show first how.
Wonderful. It's food for life.
It's food for life. You know, I don't do it for fame or something. I just wanna show how is it. I don't need to be on the video, you know. Check this out. So many happy people, right? So that's how it looks. And 2.5 minutes later, everything is gone. Okay, so we just come back to the office, and as you saw, we share 100 meals, and was not enough to everyone. I mean, and like I said already previously, Putu was giving that every single day before the current situation, but now only twice a week. Well, sometimes if we got, I mean, they got some donations. So if you would like to help, maybe support the small kids, and you can contact Putu directly. I will put some contact details at the end of the video or in the description. And every help is much appreciated. You saw how they live, and the kids so cute, so small. And yeah, thank you so much, Putu, for showing me. Thank you so much. And yeah, see you tomorrow like always. Yeah, take care. Bye.